Hello everyone, welcome to ExcelWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove unwanted space in Excel. So let's begin the video. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the space you want to remove. For example, here we have some data with space. Now you have to go for Find and Select option at the right corner of your screen. From this drop-down menu, select Replace. Now give one space in Find box and don't put any data here. Just click on Replace All and click OK. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share and hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.